Welcome to the Nexus Media Importer Photo Viewer Overview. I want to do a couple things before we get started. First I want to go into Preferences and use large thumbnails and enable write so we can see all the features. Of course, agree to the legal. And without connecting the OTG, I want to mention something on the Connect screen. So click Connect. As you can see now, it's in importer mode. This is the default, and this will copy photos and videos from the USB drive to the tablet. If you click that, you'll be able to select exporter mode, which allows you to copy from the tablet to the USB drive. We're just going to stay in importer mode for now. I'll connect the OTG, click it, and we'll click the photos. So you can see the photos are now large, so we'll just select a photo to look at it. And we can just fling it back and forth. And now we can also double tap to go full screen. And you can, from full screen or the normal view, you can press and hold something to check focus on a particular point. And once you're zoomed in, you can fling it around freely until you hit the edges of the photo. And double click will back out, or the back button will do the same. So you can see there are several icons across the top. The one with the double box is copy. The one with the box with the arrow is move. The trash can is delete. And there's a slideshow option right here. And you can just tap the screen twice to get back. In addition, if you want to select more than one photo, you can enable multi-select. And now you can select more than one photo. This is why you can copy multiple photos at the same time. The next thing we're going to cover is some of the preferences. As you can see, we're currently using large thumbnails. We can go in and look at the preferences. Photo sort order. I personally like date descending, so the photos will be shown with the newest one first. I like large thumbnails. You can switch between where you see the name of the file, or you'll see more of the image. Show media metadata. This is new in 6.2, and it'll show you some information about the photo. Color code the thumbs by date. This means that thumbnails taken on the same date will have a color band associated with them. It's best used when sorting the photos by date. If you're shooting JPEG and RAW, this option, the just show JPEG photos, will filter out the RAWs and just show you the JPEGs. So now that we've set all these, let's go back. As you can see now, these photos, which happen to be taken on the same day, all have a blue line next to them. As we scroll through the list, when we get to a photo that was taken on another day, this one happens to have a pink line. When we click on this, now in the upper left-hand corner, you'll see all the photo information, including the date and time the photo was taken, the number of megapixels, the program used, the exposure, the f-stop, the ISO, whether the flash, and the focal length.